Yo, what's up YouTube? Bits of video with the real Damien. As you can see, the hood is up on this. We had a little problem. Well, two problems. One problem I didn't think was going to be a problem, but it ended up being a problem. I kind of figured it might end up being one, because I wasn't exactly sure how this worked, but this is an older car. So, basically, the heater core line came loose. We'll just say that. The main problem, though, that's not really a problem. I done got that fixed. Hopefully fixed. The hose actually broke, that's why I didn't put it back on. I forgot to, plug it or something for a test drive. And, yeah, that's why I didn't, because it was just difficult to get off, but I finally got it off. And then there's, a bend right there in that hose, like that, I guess, something like that, anyway. So it was hard to get on there, but I got it on there. I put a hose clamp on it so I can get it tighter. I think it'll stay. Anyway, there's no leak. Now, if we are lucky, it looks like it's right there at the bolt, the drain bolt for the valve. But we're gonna go ahead and check this out real quick and hope we won't pray that bolt is loose, and that's why we have an oil leak. And it's not the RTV that messed up, because there's not gaskets made for that type of oil pan anymore. You guys will see it in just a minute. I'll be right back. Actually, you know what? I'll let you. We got the backward camera. I quick test it. Once you're at that red right there, we got 3-4 inches. Oh yeah, another reason. I know you guys might know, I'm not sure. I honestly have been slacking on videos. I'm gonna get back on it though, because I do want to eventually have a big-ish YouTube channel, maybe at least 300,000 or something like that one day. I know with my content now that ain't gonna happen, but it's good to at least get it going, keep it going, the channel, until I actually start doing stuff that'll get subscribers. Motor mount's bad. Oh yeah, actually I was gonna leave this key in here and listen to music. Also, I fixed this car, got it mudded, but then my TV broke. The backlight won't stay on. I can fix it, but I'm also thinking I'm gonna go and buy another as well. And I have two Roku TVs and two smaller TVs with Roku plug-in things. So I'll kind of Hisense. Okay, it's not too much. Whatever. A Hisense Android TV, my bad. Hisense Android TV. Alright, let's see. Let's get a 15, 17, 16, I don't know, some damn size bolt. But right now, I am literally turning the bolt. It was loose, and that's our oil leak, and I am so happy that it's not the RTV. As far as I know, the RTV didn't doing its job, so that bolt, I just never tightened it, because I knew the oil pan was coming off anyway, and then I didn't think about it whenever I actually go in and put an oil back in the car. So I'm so glad this was so easy. Now that means the car is done. This is officially done right now. So I'm gonna tighten that up, then we are going to be good, bro. This car is ready for anything. Alright, man. This thing is good now. Where's the dog? Alright, she's over there at her little house. That backup camera, man, it used to be better. It needs cleaned or something. This car also needs some front tires. You ever just do that? I know I do. Turn up the radio, jam out for like 2 seconds, even though you gotta get out the car. Alright guys, boys and girls, YouTube. As you can hear, the muffler's back on. So this is it for it. It's been rebuilt. I didn't record much, but I promise you I got a video coming out. Alright boys and girl. Probably just one girl, I don't know if any girls. Boys and girls, YouTubes. So I saw this, I was thinking, okay great, that's coming from my sister's car because it's parked right here. Nope. I figured it was, but this is actually where I pulled the car over there and most likely came right around here to back up to that thing just a minute ago. Actually, no, it couldn't have been, because I didn't move the car yet. The car hadn't been moved yet. That car hadn't been moved yet whenever I went to move that bookshelf from over there. Whenever my granddad came up and noticed this. But now this one is most likely literally from where I just backed up right here. From over there and pulled the car right in here. So I think it might have been more than that bolt, drain plug bolt. There still might be a problem with the RTV. Maybe they're both leaking oil, because I don't know, that car was never right here. So that trail still has to be coming from my sister's car. I think. Because that car hadn't been moved from right there. But then this looks 100% just like me pulling right in here. Yeah, see, fresh spot right there. These are semi-fresh spots because these were there. Dang, man. Alright, let me see what you guys can see. I guess I'm just gonna have to look over both the cars. I'm pretty sure this one, if it's leaking oil, is because of that RTV gasket shit, because you can see how this oil pan is. Well, bingo, there's our problem right there. Not that missing bolt, but hella oil right there, so there's an RTV problem right there. Oh, fuck. Fudge, I meant, my bad. Man. It's okay though, stuff happens, but man, how can that be an RTV problem? Look at how much dang RTV's right there. Maybe, possibly it'll be fine if I get a bolt in there. Nah, man, that's too much oil. And that is not part of the oil pan. The oil pan actually in there, it still seals right there. So this little broke piece has nothing to do with it. That's been broke for over a year. Yeah, look at that dripping. Did you just see that crap? Dang, man. That means exhaust has to come back off. That's great. Then we gotta drop the oil pan again, get some more RTV, and maybe get a extra big tube or something. Make sure there's enough in there or something. Definitely right there is the problem, though. Man. I'm gonna attempt to tighten up these bolts some more, see what happens, but I don't know, man. Anyway, definitely an RTV problem. Another video, I'll just kind of mention it, like, oh, it's working now. You know, it's no problems with it now, because that's obviously probably just RTV right there that didn't make it out, or didn't seal right or something. So we'll have to fix that, but we'll do it one day soon. Whenever I can go to the store, buy some RTV. See, anyway, I'm going in the house because it's cold. My hands are getting cold. I'm gonna go edit a video for y'all. This has been a video with D-Rotainment. I'll see you next time.